inbounds. When it's all over, you get 1 point for every item that goes into the other zone, and you get varying points for the different items put in the box. And obviously, you get points for blowing the balloon as well. Okay? Whenever you're ready, give me a 3, 2, 1, and then we'll start. You get 2 minutes. I'll let you know when you got 30 seconds left and 10 seconds left, okay?
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
That was close. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Check for those ping pong. Ooh, that was close. Gotta be more careful. That's fast.
So here's my robot. The drive frame for the wheels and also the arm right here is Vex. I have a total of 6 engines on this robot. I have one for each arm located right here down at the bottom where I have these little skis to slide on. I have 2 back here for each of the gears that's connected to the chain that lifts up the box, and I also have 2 located right under here in my custom Lego casing that I built to power the wheels. A special feature I added to this is a spiky ball. I just got a rubber ball and put a bunch of needles in it. And I also tied it to a string. It makes it a lot easier to pick up. And attach this little Dixie cup right here on the back. So that way I can easily dump and pop the balloon. Now, how I have the robot set up is the back buttons do all the arm movements. I have these 2 right here for opening and closing of the arms on the front. Close, open. And these 2 right here for up and down of the box. And then of course my 2 joysticks control each wheel. That controls the right wheel, that controls the left wheel. If you do them both forward at the same time, it'll go straight or donut. And the front of my box, to get it to lay almost flush with the ground, I used a monster can. It's really thin metal, and I also put tape on the end to make it slippery. And this works really good gliding across the carpet, as well as do my skis. See, I only wanted to go with 2 wheels because 4 wheels would have just made it really complicated and way too hard to turn and require a lot more motors. Then I'd have to get 2 more. And I also have carpet sliders back here too as well, because this thing's pretty heavy. You want it to slide pretty good. And right here, to hold everything together, I pretty much use zip ties for everything. They work pretty well. And this shaft right here is connected to this, and it's Vex, but the cross pieces in Legos right here, this cross, they fit like directly on the Vex. So that way, that's how it catches and it rotates. And this, of course, is all built out of Lego Technic. And then I just built the tower out of Legos, made it really sturdy, and my skis. And back here, up in the motor area, it's a big mess of wires, and you have to mess around with the placement of them, how you connect them up. And here's my drive shaft that was really annoying to put together because it kept wanting to fall apart under pressure. How I connected the Legos to the Vex was right here. I had this platform of Vex right here, and it had a bracket. So in the bracket, I put a Lego rod right there and an end piece, as well as a zip tie. So that, and a zip tie up here in the holes. Legos with holes work the best for this because you can throw a zip tie through it and make it stronger. And like right here, that's all zip tied down, and that has a hole obviously. And even the motors are zip tied. Everything is coming from this central base right here. It's basically 2 plates and then L rods on each side and another L rod right here. And this L rod I connected the battery pack and the power supply right here. And it just takes a lot of time and patience. I spent over 30 hours working on this before I even competed with it. So that's pretty much it. And this design is pretty good since I did come in first place at regionals. So there it is.